Good day, my future employer. My name is Melissa Lamig from Imas Cavite. I am 32 years old. I'm single mom and I have two kids, one boy and one girl, 11 years old and 10 years old. I am a high school graduate. My work experience are 2016 until 2018, I worked in Makati, Philippines, serving three family members, a couple, and 3-year-old baby. My duties and responsibilities is to take care of the baby and do also the household chores like cooking, cleaning, and ironing. 2019 until 2025, I work in Kuwait. 6 years and one employer, serving six family members, a couple, three boys, one girl. My duties and responsibilities are to picking up the 6 years old boy from school. Although also do the household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, and sometimes car washing. I am very hardworking, trustworthy, and I am willing to learn. Mom and sir, please consider my application. I hope you give me a chance. Thank you and have a good day.